I started when I was about 5 or 6 years old. My brother Jerry started to teach me like the ukulele, and then the guitar, then the bass, then the piano. I mean, he taught me everything I know. But I started real young, and I used to get dirty lickings from him. Jeez.
It wasn't something, picked off the tree, and then, he could sing from the beginning. He had a hard time. Singing, so me and Moon kind of like worked with him day and night. Guy, he get plenty lamps on his head. I get plenty lamps, but keep heating them and heating them.
He said one day it's gonna pay off, and I guess it did. So I thank him very much for that.
Let's get together and do some country blues. Let's get together and do some country blues. Strumming on a guitar, say baby, what's that little bass move?
Yeah. Take one, Herm. Blues. The blues, I like jazz, oldies, and Hawaii.